hear there was a secret chord that David played and pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof. Her beauty and the moonlight overthrew ya. She tied you to her kitchen chair, and she broke your throne, and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew that hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, maybe there's a God above, but all I've ever learned from love is how to shoot somebody who outdrew ya. It is not the cry that you hear at night. It is not someone who has seen the light. It is caught and it is broken. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah,
Girl. Right there, Louise, what do you think of Rosie's performance?
Oh, Rosie, I think it was a nice song choice for you. I like how you tried to show us, you know, a little bit of your range, because you took it up there and you took it down as well. And you showed us a little bit of power and you held it back a little bit in the start. So it was nice to see the difference. I think you can hear that you've got a lot of power in your voice. And I think with a little bit of help, you can really harness it and put it into practice in a much more refined way, if that makes sense, with a little bit of coaching and that. So I think you've got a lot of potential. I think you need to work a little bit on your breath control and your phrasing. But I think for a first audition, and considering it was a cappella, I thought it was a lovely one. So well done.
Awesome stuff. Kelly, what did you think?
Yeah, I really enjoyed that. You've got a really beautiful, strong, deep tone to your voice. There's a lot of strength in like your lower register. And I loved how you put a lot of feeling into that. It was almost as if, you know, the message that you told us at the beginning as to why you're doing this, you sort of conveyed that in the message and in the lyrics. And I love that. I really relate to people who tell a story, and I found that you managed to do that. So it really compelled me. I really enjoyed that. Well done.
Yeah, Rosie, what I'd like to say is obviously that I could tell just by the way you performed that message that you said at the beginning really came into play. And one thing that's so important in this industry, even as whatever you do as a talent, whether you're dancing, whatever you want to do, is so important to have passion, commitment and drive. And I feel like that's what you've got. You seem really determined to want to get better and want to be the best you can. So that's the first thing I picked up in this particular audition, which is nice to see. Obviously, there's work to do in lots of different places in your voice. You can tell that a little bit more breathing in places for certain notes to come out even thicker, little things like that. And also maybe looking into song choices and really challenging yourself to songs that maybe you wouldn't think about doing usually and stuff like that. But that's all comes with experience. So that's definitely something I want to take on board. When you are picking your songs, make sure you are challenging yourself, or don't be frightened of trying something you would have never done, you know, because that's where you're going to find the beauty and what you can do as a singer. Other than that, back to this performance, I love your personality. I love the way you put yourself into this song and that sort of thing. So well done to you, all right?
Thank you.
So we're going to do a little bit of a vote, all right? Louise, a yes or no?
I'm going to say yes. I think you could benefit from this process, so I'm going to say yes. Well done.
Awesome. Kelly?
Yeah, it's a yes from me as well.
And is a yes from me, all right? So you got 3